Hello, my name is Ernest, your futures trade coach from theprofitroom.com. I'm going to show you how I made over $2,000 in under 1 minute. You're watching me trade Nasdaq futures. You see the strong green bar. That's a lot of price action. So I get in 6 contracts. So your price changes as the market goes higher. This is why it's very important that you get futures mentorship, not just a futures course, because the futures market moves very, very fast. I took this trade today with my students. And imagine making your mortgage payment, right? Or your car payment in just one trade. All you need is about 5 minutes to an hour a day, and you can make these profits. It's very important that I strategically show you how to trade like this. Many people have courses and they throw people in all these groups and they get confused. We don't do that in the Profit Room. We focus on individual traders and have you be independent and consistently profitable. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com.